If you've ever clicked a button on a website and something happened, that's JavaScript. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and how to start using it today. Quick hook: JavaScript powers the interactive web. Mobile apps, desktop tools, and even servers. Learn it once and you can build almost anything. So, what is JavaScript? It's a programming language that runs in your browser. What if went on servers with Node.js? In the browser, it talks to the DOM, the page structure, so you can change text, styles, images, react to clicks, react to scrolls. On the server, it handles requests, talks to databases, and sends back data. Core ideas first: variables with let and const, functions that take input and return output, objects and arrays to organize data, events to respond to user actions, and asynchronous code, promises, wait, so you don't freeze the page while you fetch data. Here's a mental model. JavaScript is single-threaded. It runs one thing at a time on the main thread, and uses an event loop to schedule tasks that finish later. That's how fetch can wait on the network without blocking animations or input. Modern ecosystem: NPM is your package hub. React, Vue, Svelte, Vite, Next.js, plus bundling, routing, and dev servers. TypeScript adds types on top of JavaScript for safer code at scale. Quick best practices: use const by default, let when you need to reassign, prefer strict equals, triple equals. Keep functions small and focused, don't block the main thread, debounce or throttle heavy work, and measure with dev tools, performance, network, and Lighthouse. Open any page, hit F12 or right-click inspect, go to the console and type console.log, hello JavaScript, change something, document.body.style.background, sock, black, fetch data, const res, sock, await fetch, http sock, api.example.com, then res JSON. Build a tiny project, a to-do list, add items, mark them done, save to local storage. You'll touch the DOM, events, and data flow, all in one shot. Learn from solid docs, MDN web docs for fundamentals, javascript.info for deeper dives. Then pick a framework and ship something small. Final takeaway: JavaScript rewards building. Write code, see it run, iterate fast. In a world that runs on the web, that feedback loop is your superpower. If this helped, drop a like and tell me what you're building next.